Many English learners know hundreds or even thousands of words, yet they still struggle to speak fluently. One of the main reasons is that they learn individual words instead of collocations. Native speakers don't build sentences one word at a time. They use ready-made word combinations. And this is the goal of this series, is to help you use collocations more confidently. Have you ever said something like, I made my homework, or I did a mistake? If so, don't worry. Almost every English learner makes these mistakes. And in this lesson, you'll master 25 common do and make collocations, so you will stop translating from your own language and start using collocations more naturally. But first, let me ask you something. What is a collocation? Is it a grammar rule, a phrase, or just two words that often go together? The answer is it's a natural combination of words that native speakers use together. In other words, some words naturally like to go together. You can think of collocations as words that are best friends. They like to appear together. So simply, some words naturally fit together, while others sound strange to native speakers. But now you may be asking yourself, why should I bother learning collocations? Have you ever asked yourself why I know thousands of words but I can't speak fluently? One of the biggest reasons is collocations, as they help you to speak much more fluently and naturally. And you don't stop too much to think before you speak, as they help you to speak faster. And actually, you stop translating from your native language, and this is so important because actually each language has its own collocations, and if you translate word by word, you will sound unnatural. So it's much better to learn collocations and start using them to sound like a native speaker. So for all these reasons, today I'll teach you 25 collocations with two very important verbs in English, which are do and make. They confuse many learners when to use do and when to use make. So let's start with do. We usually use do for activities, jobs, work, and tasks. Let's have someone's related to school, work, and study. Do homework to complete your assignments. He always does his homework before dinner. Do a job to perform or complete a task or a piece of work. He did a great job fixing my computer. Do business to buy, sell, or work with another company or person. Our company does business with several countries. Do research to study a topic carefully so you learn more about it. I need to do some research before buying a new laptop. Let's move to collocations with household chores. These are things we do around the house. Do the housework, to do general cleaning and other household chores. I usually do the housework on Saturdays. Do the cleaning, to clean a house, room, or place. He does the cleaning every Friday. Do the cooking, to prepare and cook meals. Her mother usually does the cooking. Do the dishes, to wash dirty plates, cups, and other dishes. I'll do the dishes after lunch. Do the laundry, to wash dirty clothes. I have to do the laundry today. Do the shopping, to buy food and other things from stores. We do the shopping every Thursday. Do the gardening, to take care of garden. Her grandfather enjoys doing the gardening. Let's move to collocations with health, fitness, and personal care. Do exercise, to be physically active, to stay fit and healthy. I do exercise every morning. And I can also say I exercise every morning. Both are correct. Do your hair. To style and arrange your hair. She does her hair in a beautiful way. Okay then. So those were some collocations with do. Let's move to collocations with make. We usually use make when we create, build, produce, or cause something. Let's start with make breakfast. I make breakfast for my family. We also say make lunch and make dinner. We also use make coffee or make a cup of tea. For example, can you make some coffee? We also use make with make a cake or make a sandwich. I like making cakes. Make the bed. He always makes his bed after waking up. Make a mistake. He made a mistake on the math test. Make a decision. They made a decision to buy a new house. Make progress. She's making great progress in English. Make friends. He made lots of new friends. Make money. Many people want to make more money. Make a phone call. He needs to make a phone call. Make plans. We're making plans for the weekend. Make noise. The children were making too much noise. So those were today's collocations. I hope you've learned something new. And now, can you try what will you use in these sentences? Number one, he blank a mistake by refusing this job offer. Number two, she doesn't like blank the dishes. Let me know your answers in the comments. Like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in another lesson and thank you for watching.